AI isn't just the future, it's the present. Right now, people are using AI to make money online without leaving their homes. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you build side hustles, grow businesses, and even create passive income streams. And here's the kicker. Some of them are totally free. Make sure you stick around till the end because tool number 5 can literally change your financial game.
Tool number 1, Copy.ai. First up, we have Copy.ai. This is like having a professional writer in your pocket. It creates blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, and even YouTube scripts. If you're into freelancing, this tool can help you deliver top-quality content to clients and charge premium rates. Think of it as your secret money-making assistant.
Tool number 2, Canva AI. Next is Canva AI. Businesses and influencers are paying hundreds of dollars for great designs, and you can make them in minutes using Canva AI. Whether it's logos, social media graphics, or presentations, this tool gives you everything you need to start your own design side hustle, even if you're not a designer.
All right, we've just covered 2 amazing AI tools, but here's the deal. There are still 3 more to go. And trust me, tool number 5 is such a game changer. It can literally change the way you make money online. But I don't want to make this video too long. So here's what we'll do. I'll reveal tool number 5 in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss it. Believe me, you'll want to see this one.